All the big birdies. There's Panda. Captain America, trying to look handsome for the girls, which are not really impressed. There's Tom Tom. There's Tom Tom. There's Stanley. Hello, sweetie pea. Hi, sweetie pea. Oh, yes, you're very handsome. You're a pretty girl. He's a very handsome boy. There's Panda on our TV. A couple of them are learning to ride with me. There goes Rascal. There goes Sweet Pea. Y'all ready to go for a ride? Queenie, you're going for a ride too? There's Rebel over on the other side, on the wheelbarrow. Birds gone wild. Oop, there goes Sweet Pea up on the top. She's ready to go RTVing. Y'all are so funny. There's Stanley.